Hey everybody, so as you can probably see, I've got some paint in the bottom of my tray. Now this is going to be the third time using this combination of paint because there's some in the bottom and then I still have a little bit left in my cup. So since it's so pretty, I want to try something else with it. I'm going to do a little project, and I found this frame. It's kind of sunk in at Goodwill, I think, for like, I don't know how much I paid. Not very much. Anyway, so I've already taken the glass out and washed it. I just washed it with some alcohol, and that's all the prep work that I did. So let me get my gloves on. And the colors that I've got in there in my tray are copper, phthalo blue, phthalo turquoise, and magenta. Now I think I'm going to add a little bit more because there's some gaps. I'm just gonna do that a little bit, and then I'm going to dip the can or the piece of glass in there and see what happens. I already did a tile, a large tile, and it turned out really cool. So I'm gonna dip this and see what happens. It's kind of gonna be difficult probably to pick it back up. I'm gonna smush it until it looks like it's all covered. Whoa, that looks pretty cool. Holy crap. And I don't have any, I have no silicone or alcohol in this at all. And then look at it all in the bottom. That looks really cool. And I want to cover these edges, but I don't really want to mess because this looks really, really, I'm surprised by that. I don't know if it's just the air in there created those or what happened there, because like I said, I didn't put anything in there to create any cells at all. So I'm gonna probably use my straw a little bit. Just to get that covered. Scoop up a little bit of that. And then I'll do that over here too. Add a little bit of this magenta right here. I would try to dip it again, but because it's so hard to pick up, I don't want to lose what I've already got. So I'm just doing that. Now I think actually I could, actually there's some cells popping up there. Maybe take a little piece of paper and drag this end. I'm going to just see what happens when I do that. It's sticking because I got paint everywhere. I'm going to let it pour that way just a little bit. That looks really cool. I really like it a lot. But I think I'm going to scoop up some more. Some more of this. And then pull through that. Just let that run back a little bit. Somebody's knocking at the door. give you some close-up of those cells. That's just crazy how those cells popped up. Alright, I'll be back for the next part. Hey everybody, today I am back for the second part of my video, and I have my picture frame here, and I am going to paint it black. The color that I'm using is, or the brand that I'm using is Artist Loft Acrylic, and I'm not putting anything in it, no Floetrol or any pouring medium at all, because I want it to be thicker. So I'm going to go ahead and just start painting it. So I'm going to let that dry and possibly put another coat. I'm not really sure, but I will be back when it's done for the next step. Okay everybody, so now I'm back to show you the frame is all done. It's all painted. I got everything done, so now I'm just going to put it together. I'm just going to go ahead and put the glass in there. And voila! It is all done. It looks really cool. I love the way it turned out. It's really pretty. Alright, so I'm not sure if I said before, but my glass, I sprayed it a couple times after it was completely dry, and I used Winsor Newton Gloss Varnish. Put a couple coats of that on, and it looks really nice now. So there it is, all done, all pretty. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.